Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to find and open Google Play Store on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. This is going to be using the on TV. So let's get straight into it. We're going to go to settings. So under the quick settings tab, you're going to find all settings. So click on all settings and you'll be navigating to apps. So if you have apps, get into apps and see all apps. Now it's very important that you scroll down, not to an app, but to this option that says show system apps. So click on show system apps and that'll bring you to this list. Now you're going to navigate down that list until you find the option that says Google Play Store. So this is how you find the Google Play Store app. When you locate it, you're going to open it. So as you can see, I'm scrolling down and now I've started seeing Google Play Services, Google Play Games, and right here I have Google Play Store. So I could click on this and I'll hit the open button. Now clicking the open button allows me to launch the application, and right here you see the Google Play Store launch and open. I can navigate, I could find any apps I'm looking for. You can see the popular apps popping up right here, movies and TV. So that's how you do it. That's how you find and open Play Store with the Google TV. If you found value in this tutorial, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.